If you look closely at any successful project or campaign throughout history, chances are they all include one key ingredient: strong asks. Strong asks are clear, powerful requests for help and support, including invitations for others to join you in the effort you're pursuing. They are essential to the success of a group in achieving a common goal. Whether it's a political campaign or a community coalition working to improve medication management. Let's look at what a strong ask looks like in action. Meredith is a public health professional. She's spearheading a medication management coalition to decrease the number of adverse drug events in her community. Just like her, most others on her coalition are busy professionals. So how can she use community organizing tools to make strong asks to build her team? One of the most common, effective ways to do this is during a one-to-one meeting. The process of making a strong ask during a one-to-one meeting can be broken up into 5 different steps. Select and connect, share purpose, explore and discover, exchange ideas and resources, secure commitment. First, select and connect. Decide who you'd like to request support from by first looking at people with shared interests, who might also want to achieve your coalition's goals. Next, when you meet with the person, be very clear about your purpose or your reason for wanting to talk to them. Tell them why you thought of them for this request and what you want to explore.
Thank you for meeting with me today. So I recently set up a coalition. We're working to decrease adverse drug events. As you probably know, this is a critical national issue and we're seeing it in our community too. I felt I needed to do something, and with my healthcare background, I have so many resources to contribute. So I started talking to some colleagues, and we formed a coalition to come up with some solutions.
Thanks for reaching out, Meredith. I've seen the impact of this problem, and I agree it's urgent to do something about it.
Great, I know you probably have some ideas.
Absolutely, I have a lot of ideas to share. I think I can get my colleagues involved too.
Now, it's time for the important exploration and discovery phase. This is where you gauge their interest, capacity, and whether you think they would be a good fit for your group. Use questions that will lead you to identifying your shared values and resources. As you explore what you've been doing and where your interests lie, you'll discover how you can help each other, where you have resources you can share so both of you can benefit.
I thought of you for our leadership team because I saw your talk on medication management and safer medication use.
Oh yeah, it's really important to me. I've been doing research on medication management for a long time.
So I'm wondering if you'd be interested in joining our coalition's leadership team.
You know, I'm really interested, but I just started a new project. I might not have the time to join a leadership team.
I completely understand. But would you still be able to join the coalition?
Yes, definitely.
The next phase involves the exchange of ideas and resources. This is where you ensure the exchange is mutually beneficial. Identify skill sets and resources that will help achieve the common goal.
Can you think of anyone else that might be a good fit to join our leadership team?
Yes, actually. I was going to recommend my colleague Jim. He has 10 years expertise in medication management and medication safety issues.
Lastly, and most importantly, secure the commitment.
That's great. Can you put Jim and I in touch soon?
Sure, I'll introduce you by email sometime soon.
Wait. This may sound like a commitment, but there are no solid deadlines or guarantees. When you make the ask, be as specific as possible. This is the main difference between a weak ask and a strong ask. So let's try this again.
That's great. Could you connect us by Friday this week so I can invite him to our next coalition meeting on the 22nd?
Sure, I can do that.
Thanks so much. I'll send you a follow-up reminder on Thursday. And I'll send some information about joining the coalition.
Okay, sounds good. I can't wait.
Understanding how to make a strong ask is essential for any campaign or coalition. Remember to follow the 5 steps to ensure you get the support you need and reach your common goal.